Samsung unveiled its 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 camera last September, but it hasn't used it on any of its smartphones yet. And while we await more details from Samsung about its first 200 megapixel camera smartphone, Korean publication ET News claims that Samsung has finished developing its new 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is expected to be used on next year's Galaxy 23 Ultra. The publication also claims that Samsung Electromechanics, the Korean conglomerate's camera division, will manufacture 70% of the new 200 megapixel sensor units, while 30% will be manufactured by Samsung Electronics. Not much is known about this new 200 megapixel camera sensor, but since Samsung has completed its development, we expect to hear more about it soon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.